Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sagurjit and you are watching Sagurjit88 YouTube channel. So in today's video, I have purchased online this instant glue, that is Polyfix, and the spray activator. So in this video we shall unbox it and test its strength. So okay, let's start the video. I have purchased it from Flipkart. I won't have purchased this instant glue for the purpose of demo and advertisement of this company. So I needed this glue, that's why I have purchased. So here we get two boxes in this packet. So one box is that of the gel and the other is that of the spray activator. So this is the spray activator, so it's 100 ml. So we get a bottle of spray activator from this box. And here is the Polyfix gel, it's a 250 gram. So here are the steps by which we can fix any material. So here there are different material that can be fixed with it. So we get a tube of gel from this box. So guys, the handle of this drawer is broken and I shall fix this handle with the help of Polyfix gel. So I shall apply gel to the handle. So I shall apply spray activator to the other parts of the handle. Now I shall join these two parts. So I shall hold it for 8 to 10 seconds. So I shall apply some more spray activator. So in this way the drawer handle is fixed. So here guys, I have two pieces of MDF. So these pieces are laminated. So I shall join these pieces with the help of Polyfix gel and let's see how strong this joint be. So I shall apply gel to this part and the spray activator to the other part. And we shall join them and hold for 8 to 10 seconds. And it has been fixed, so the joint seems very strong. Now I shall test the strength of this joint. I shall try to break it. Oh, it's easily broken. So the joint is not very strong. So it's due to the lamination on the MDF. So once again I shall apply the Polyfix gel. So and I shall join these two pieces. So and I shall give at least 5 to 10 minutes to let it dry. So then we'll see the how strong this joint be. Now I shall join these two pieces of wood. So I shall apply gel on one piece and spray activator on the other piece. It's a end grain joint, and we'll see how strong this joint is. So I shall apply the gel here. And I shall apply the spray actuator to the other part of the wood. And I shall hold it for 8 to 10 seconds. So in this way both the pieces are joined. Similarly, I shall join these two pieces of plywood. So these are scrap plywood pieces. So I shall apply gel and spray activator and join them. Now I shall paste the casters on this plywood. So and we'll see the result that this instant glue holds the casters. So I shall apply the gel to the caster and spray activator on the plywood. In this way I shall join all the 4 casters. Now all the casters are fixed. Now I shall join this piece of leather. I shall apply the gel here and the spray activator here. So guys, you could see that the leather is fixed with this instant glue. So now let's test the first joint of MDF. So I shall try to break it. Oh, it's easily broken. So I know that there is lamination on the side of the MDF, so that's why this so ये टूट गया joint is not very strong. So I shall try the second joint, that is that of the plywood. So it's also easily broken. So now I shall try the third joint. So it's not, it couldn't be broken by hand, so it's very hard. It's very strong joint, it couldn't be broken by hand. So now I shall try to break it by hammer. So it's not broken. नहीं ये नहीं टूटता, ये बहुत. So now it breaks. Now I shall check the casters that I have pasted on the plywood. So I shall roll this trolley. Oh, sorry. So I thought that all the casters are broken when I fell, but I think these casters are fixed properly. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you could get the notification of my upcoming video. So if you like this video, then press the like button. If you don't like this video, then press the dislike button. So and also share this video among your friends and also make comments about this video. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.